8S versus 6S. Have to put the standard prop back on that Sonicwake, make them even. Yeah, more even. Might be better if that Spartan was running better. Got scared, eh? A little bit, yeah. Day 2 of this. Probably shouldn't crash it. I'll stand in it. That was an impressive one. I reckon if we bring the Pursuit out next time with that Sonicwake, yeah, and on 4S, I reckon it'll be similar to that speed on 8S. And easy, just as easy to drive. Yeah, it's pretty good. Give those batteries a cool down, they're brand new, remember? I've been thinking about them, don't worry. Did you see that roll over and didn't even matter? Yeah. Like I didn't back off.
pretty good in the rough water.
Yeah, this one is the opposite.
Not so good, yeah.
I can't believe this battery's still going.
Sorry?
Can't believe my battery is still going.
Oh yeah.
I suppose I've got to keep backing off. You bringing that in?
Yeah, I think I will. I want to have a good battery.
It didn't cut out.
No, I didn't cut out.